While you are pre trouble, me I take a shorty. I'm living my best life. The only back on our website. Vex cause we eating, while they in the feelings. Me jump on the next flight.
What's up, everybody? So today is my birthday week. Yeah, you feel me? I did my hair. These are crochet locks. I'm feeling coffee vibes right now. But yeah, so today is Monday, the 27th, and I'm supposed to be having a picnic with a small group of friends. Cause people in New York are wilding right now. They think COVID isn't a thing anymore, and it's definitely still a thing. If y'all hear something, I'm watching the Royal Family. Yeah, I don't like YouTube families that much, but I can tolerate Queen Naja. I like her. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I'm having a picnic because everyone in New York is wilding. I don't feel like going to a restaurant or doing anything like that, so but I still want to see my friends, so I think a picnic is like a safe way to go. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my makeup. It's not gonna be anything extra, probably just eyelashes and eyeliner because it's like 100 degrees today. Oh yeah, I'm probably just gonna keep it simple and you guys will see it when it's done. Hello. Okay. Yeah, so I'm done. You ever just put things in your boobs and you just forget? Anyway, yeah. So I finished. All I did was just put on lashes, a little eyeliner, some lip gloss, and I put like red shimmer in the corner of my eyes. I'm wearing red. I was gonna put gold, but I'm not wearing gold, so I thought it would be, you feel me? So, yeah, right now I'm just waiting for my friend Shantae to come get me, and then we gotta go pick up some champagne and some ice and some food, and we're gonna be out to the park. So, I don't know. I'm just like, I'm really hyped because I'm turning 21, guys, in 2 days. From the time of filming, because I don't know when this is gonna go out. I was taking a summer class and I have not been able to finish editing like everything else, so I'm like on catch up because I'm not gonna put school before YouTube because degree before everything, but just so y'all know, I got an A in both my classes because I took 2. Yeah, your girl took 2. I need to learn to look at the viewfinder and not this because I'm trying to make sure like I'm in focus. Yeah, Shantae's coming for me now. It's 100 degrees. I want to see how my makeup, let me just sit y'all down. I want to see how my makeup withstands the heat. I know y'all are crooked, but y'all gonna be crooked, I'm sorry. Yeah, I just want to see how this makeup withstands the heat because I tried this new thing. I saw Jackie Anna do it, so the queen, you feel me? So I put on my primer, and then I set my primer with the Anastasia powder. And then after the powder, I put setting spray. And then after I let my face dry, then I put on my foundation. And then after foundation, I put on the powder, and then I put on the setting spray again. So I want to see how this withstands because it's 100 degrees. If y'all live in New York, y'all know like in the winter it's super cold, and then in the summer it's super hot. And I feel like we kind of get the best of both worlds because we live in like the Arctic and in Arizona at the same time. So yeah, Let me go put the fruits and stuff in the bag, and then I'll probably see y'all in the car. Huh? I forgot I was supposed to. I don't know how these people do it. They like, their whole life is basically on the internet. I don't know how they do it. Okay, so originally my plan back in January was to, you know, Soho, the spa, Soho, whatever the fuck it's called.
Soho in the city?
No, there's this spa like on, it's in New Jersey, like right as you touch New Jersey, it's right there. They have a bus that like you go to the city and there's a bus that.
Why don't you get your license?
Yeah. And drive what car?
You don't buy a car.
With what money?
But like, why didn't you get it? Like, is there a reason you have a license now?
I was actually supposed to get my permit.
You don't have your permit? Come on.
Thick is in style now.
But I'm not like thick as
Yes, you definitely have a butt, and your butt's definitely bigger than mine now. Whenever the sun goes down.
And they'd be like at a party.
Are we looking at nudes?
You want to see nudes?
Can I see some nudes?
You want to see mine?
You want to see mine? So what are we looking
I
at?
am not exposing myself for your YouTube video.
Bitch, I would have cut this out, obviously. Excuse me?
Finally, you put something good on.
So what's wrong with dance hall? Huh? No, what's wrong with dance hall? Oh, why? Is you black? You should know these type of songs. You're not even listening. You want me pulling your hair? You want me pulling your hair?
No.
Why not?
I like that.
Exactly. I didn't film enough. Y'all better get into this Jamaicanness.
Just deserve a break. They deserve a cool.
Oh no, my summer started. I just took my last class. I still don't know how blood clots work, but that's fine.
You are graduating spring 2021.
If Sony don't fuck with me. Wait, what's that black thing? Oh, this? That's not in the way.
Oh my gosh, that angle. Oh, it's something.
Oh, you mean that it was sweating on my face?
Sure.
Shante, you can't tell this. It would have something.
Yeah.
Just be careful with it.